Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
I will show you how to enable voice typing on your keyboard step by step. First, choose your device type: Android, iPhone, or Windows PC. On Android, open Settings, then System and Languages, and Input to access keyboards. Tap Virtual Keyboard, choose Gboard or another keyboard, and select Voice Typing. Enable Use Voice Typing and grant microphone permission when prompted. If you use iPhone, add dictation in keyboard settings and allow microphone access. On Windows, press Windows key plus H to open voice typing quickly anywhere. Open any text field to start voice typing, like notes, messages, or a document. Tap the microphone icon on the keyboard to begin speaking and tap again to stop. Speak clearly and at a steady pace for best recognition results. Say punctuation words such as comma, period, question mark, and new line to format text while dictating. In Gboard or iOS keyboard, change the language in settings to match your accent or target language. Some keyboards offer offline voice models for use without internet connection. If voice typing does not work, first check microphone permission for your keyboard app. Restart the app or device and test voice typing with short phrases to confirm functionality. Use a quiet environment and speak clearly to improve recognition accuracy and reduce errors. Update your keyboard app to receive bug fixes and improved models for speech recognition. Review privacy settings before enabling cloud-based voice typing and disable upload if you prefer local processing. Learn common voice commands like
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.